Tired of boring Word docs? Press Windows key plus period to instantly add animated GIFs. Here's how. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact shortcut and steps to insert any GIF in seconds. Alright, so let's get right into it. You're sitting there with a Word document that could use a little life, right? Maybe you're putting together a newsletter, a presentation, or just a fun note for a coworker. And here's the thing. Most people hunt through menus for ages trying to figure this out. But I'm going to show you the shortcut that makes it almost instant. So first, open up your Word document wherever you want the GIF to appear. Go ahead and click your cursor at that exact spot. Now here's the magic combination. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. That's the one with the little 4-square logo next to your Alt key. And while holding it down, press the period key. That's it. Windows key plus period. This opens up what's called the Emoji panel. It's a little window that pops up right where your cursor is. Now this panel does a lot more than just emojis. You'll see a row of icons along the top. There's one with a little smiley face for emojis, one for kai emoji, those are those text-based Japanese emoticons, and a couple of others. But we're looking for the GIF section. So go ahead and look at that bottom row of icons. Right next to the Kamoji section, you'll see one labeled GIF. Just click on that. This is where the Windows team has hidden a whole library of animated GIFs that you can search through. It's not just a handful of options either. There are hundreds of them, organized by category. And here's where it gets fun. You can either browse through the categories, stuff like celebration, reactions, animals, or memes, or you can use the search bar right at the top. So say you need a dancing banana for some reason. Just type dancing banana into the search bar. It pulls results directly from Microsoft's GIF library, which is pretty extensive. Take your time scrolling through. Find something that fits the mood of your document. When you spot the one you want, just click on it. And I mean click directly on the GIF itself, not the name or category. Just click the image. Once you click, it inserts right into your Word document at the cursor location. Now here's a really important thing to know. These are actually animated. In older versions of Word, you'd insert a static image and it would just sit there like a picture. But these GIFs will play right inside your document. You might need to click the play button that appears on top of it, depending on your Word version. But on modern Word 365 or 2024, it should just animate automatically. Now let's talk about positioning. Most likely, the GIF will drop in at a default size that's probably a bit too big or a little too small. That's totally fine. Just click on the GIF to select it. You'll see little square handles appear around the edges. Click and drag any corner handle to resize it proportionally. That way you don't squish or stretch the animation. You can also drag it around the page to move it exactly where you want it. One thing I want to mention here. This trick works on Windows. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is different. It's Control plus Command plus Space to open the emoji and GIF picker. But for Windows users, Windows key plus period is your best friend. Once you've got the GIF sized and placed just right, give your document a quick preview. Scroll through to make sure everything looks good. The animation should be playing smoothly, and then just save your document like you normally would. Hit Ctrl plus S or click the Save icon. That's it. So now you know the secret. No more digging through the Insert tab, no more downloading files from random websites. Just Windows key plus period, and you've got a whole world of GIFs right at your fingertips. It's one of those features that once you know about it, you'll start using it all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.